Hi guys, today I'm gonna be revisiting Find Fridges. I got like 30 feet of camera. But did I get any mythicals? Oh, my mom's calling real quick. Okay, I got one mythical malfunction fridge.
The last name is two words.
Okay, we have Dr. Fridge. Wait, did I see Dr. Fridge when describing this? I think it's a malfunction fridge. Wait. There's swords! Ooh, party hat fridge. Yay! Find limited time hidden party hats and earn for badges. Check for hints of a special food tap in your inventory. Okay, I can't collect that one. Special. Oh, we don't count on my fridge count. Okay, so here's like all of them. There's no question mark, question mark, question mark. I am not finished this yet. Could be a team. So apparently mimic snow fridge. Just snow fridge. Okay, this is gonna be my signature morph. Yeah. Okay, now let's go. Wait. Ooh. Okay. I think this is gonna be my favorite hint. I think it's gonna be my favorite. I think this is gonna be my favorite fridge. Lol. Okay. Time to refill my stamina. Okay. Okay. Now where is that hospital? But I can't even turn on shift lock. Wait. I can't turn on. Yeah. I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooking. Wait. I'm trying to press the shift lock button, but it's just not working. Oh, first hospital. Speed. Oh, my stamina got locked. Dr. Fit. The best and only doctor in Fit City. Smile. Smile. I forgot what I was gonna write here. 3 out of 10. Oh, wait, my friend joined. I'm making a video right now. 3 out of 10. I died here, but I rated 0 stars, but I got a free granola bar. 8.5 out of 10. Great customer service. I only got attacked by a pack of wolves 1. Oh, he sounds disappointed. 10 out of 10. I love writing reviews. 8 out of 10. I rate it lower, but 8 is my favorite number. 8 Ball Bridge. Right. Ooh. Oh. Insert reassuring message here. Smile. And I'm pretty sure there's something inside these cabinets. Okay. How about the other one? Oh, you can open. Oh, I got a med kit. Okay, I can't get a job yet. I really can't get a job. Just got this med kit. Okay, I'm gonna use it on this guy. Med kit fridge. Oh, I accidentally discovered a fridge. Oh, hey, you hear that patient from me. If you're trying to steal my job or something, I am going to have to warn you because my uncle works for the FBI and he like trained me in the arts of karate and stuff. Ooh. Oh, that sounds bad. No, she, wait, is it a she or, is it a she or he? I forgot. Oh yeah, it's a she. Yeah, she sounds like a pretty good karate student. Oh, thanks, bro. I'm feeling a lot better now. But why is the dialogue so short? I love reading dialogue. Or just reading in general. Don't mind that. Hmm. Oh, he hates the color green. Okay, I better not waste my stamina because you don't waste stuff. Oh, more, yay, more dialogue. Did you know that you can teleport to other areas using that teleport button on your screen? I mean, who knows what kind of fishes you find on the other islands? Very useful, my friend. Very useful. Oh, another fish. Ooh, I'm pretty sure I can get a fish from playing these games. I played these games before. Oh no. Ugh. Come here. Oh wait, I don't have to do it. Oh, I just have to have a burger come to me. Yeah. No, don't mess up. Oh, okay, okay. Oh my, I almost got my shot messed up. Huh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, ooh, it's getting more fast. It's getting more fast. Oh no. Okay, it's getting faster now. It's getting faster. It's getting faster. Oh, it's getting faster. Oh. Okay, it's getting harder. It's getting harder.
It's in fact a
Oh.
you have already split.
Oh. Oh. Bro, bro. Oh my god. Bro, this guy.
Yeah. They actually sent it to you last week with a cover letter.
Ooh, I love playing tennis. Tennis, Dennis. I'm pretty sure Dennis is problematic. Oh no, I lost. Okay, I still haven't found him yet. I'm pretty sure anglerfish can be found around grass. Wait, I think it's around here. I think it's around here. Ooh, the nerve of people these days. Some dude honked at me because apparently I am not allowed to park my car in the middle of the road. So like the good guy I am, I flipped his car over and set it on fire. You know, the world needs more heroes like me. Very inspirational. Very inspirational, my guy. I'm just gonna actually do that. Man, I'm trying to stack up hot dogs. Wait, I remember I was doing a no jumping challenge and I could easily climb up this hot dog stack except for the last one.
I see. So, will I just wait or can I add
Yeah, uncommon. Uncommon. I'm gonna have to jump down. I'm gonna have to jump down at the perfect time. 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Run me over! I got the fridge. Let's go. Okay,
during school? Is there anything or were
Fridge
all
Mart.
the same taxes that
Ooh,
about the relation?
expensive. Ooh, head start fridge. No, I have almost like no. NBC. If you're short on fridge coins, you can earn more by replaying obbies and finding new fridges.
Okay. So how can I get the release of that?
Oh, so they're pointless?
Okay. So all good. Just a cover letter, then that's it. The request.
I earn 5 fridge coins any minute. I earn money when I complete an obby.
Okay. So and who is speaking?
Okay. I really want to find a mythical. I really want to find one.
LDS, right?
Oh, ooh, okay.
LS.
Overstable fridge.
Alright, we can choose and then I'm confused.
Okay.
Let's see.
Walk into base plate fridge's light. Okay, but get 3,000 office points in an office job. Too boring. Surely it's not that hard. You're just wasting money at this point. You can find additional key in the office job. The layer is hidden near the start of Griffin Finch's obby. His radio hides the code. Go to the swim of the haunted mountain, and free him with a cursed key. Would be great. Sometimes wisdom can be found after enough useless information. Get a high score of 250 on the bomb game of Retro Island. I mean, win a game. Ooh. Oh, that sounds fun. I remember going to the top of here. No joke. I actually went on top of a base plate. It was a pretty weird experience. No joke. And maybe I'll try to get up for again this time just to get another shot. Okay. So the way I did this was going here. I went here and then I climbed up the ladder and then I wait. See? I did it first try. Ooh. Definitely saving this on my device. 100%. Boom! Oh. Never mind, I fell. So that was the craziest thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna try to do that again. Oh no, I just fell. Oh! Almost. Wee! Wee! Oh, so close. Eee! Bruh. Eee! Oh! 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 But I'm actually able to get a whole shot. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Don't fall through, don't fall through. Oh! Nah! Yo! Hold on, hold on. I gotta save this. I gotta save these photos. Nah! This is actually crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, just look at me walking off, walking. See, that's proof I actually got on top of a sky base. I knew how to get on top of it and I did it first try. That is insane. Look at all this. Now, time for the cliche moment. Dying to the void. Cliche. Boom. Fantastic. Okay, now we're gonna re-equip all of this. So have it more. Yeah. Okay. As soon as I refill my stamina. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm just playing my favorite game, Five Bridges. I'm at a part of a game where you go to the new Fridge's house and then you talk to him and then he says, "Oh hey, I'm just playing my favorite game, Five Bridges." I'm at a part of a game where you go to the new Fridge's house and then you talk to him and he says, "Oh hey, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. No. I'm gonna part of a game where you go to the new house, his house. Never had to go out to Oh, finally. Finally. Oh, 60 fishes required. That's sad. Really cool obby of coolness. How cool is this? I think this obby is very cool in my opinion. In my opinion, it's so cool. Even the coolest person in the world can't outcool it. Because it's that cool. Okay, why do I keep dying to the lava? You're the first person to see a con play a obby and constantly failing with the text SpongeBob Swan above it. Even a 2D representation of what it looks like from the front. Yeah, that's the first time. That's the first time that has been caught on camera. No. Oh, I thought I failed. Oh wait, I got my shift lock back. Okay, I remember. No. Oh, I thought I failed. How did I fail to that? Speed run. No. Boom. Oh my god. Okay, and I need to make sure that me feelings actually fair. Like, did I touch it? I'm not touching it. Okay, I think that's not fair at all. You know, I'm just making from a side view, or maybe like this. Yeah, this is the first time. Yeah, you never see this every day. Yeah, I'm moving forwards. Only forwards. Oh my, dude. How do I keep failing at this? Like, how did I fail? How did I? How did I not fail to? Bro, it's taking my ability to jump. Bro, is my jump button just a fidget? Huh? It's like fidget? And what's up with lag spikes? Why are we lag spiking this? Whew, finally. Okay. Okay, this is the easiest part about obby. You just have to jump left and right and left and right. Oh, fridge! Gravity coil fits. So it just doesn't show up. I am the able fridge guardian of my favorite number. Only provides a fridge's finest. Can you guess my favorite number? 8. Impossible. You have guessed my favorite number. This event in the passage of time is inconceivable. He's shocked. Are you shocked? Well, it's obviously 8. Window, oh my god. Fridge favoritism again. And at least I can still do this thing. Right? Oh, I'm too fat. I'm very fat. I'm pretty sure there was a fridge here. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip. Oh, I got it. Rotating fridge. Nice. Okay. 3 more fridges. Tiki-lika-lika. Tiki-lika-liko. Wait, balloon! Yes! Balloon marker. Kissing game. Wait, I can't enter the kissing game. Where's the bomb mini game? Isn't there supposed to be a bomb mini game in here? I got onto the roof and I'm entering the chimney. Chimney. It's a ch. Oh, fire! Fire fridge. Okay, I have 7 squared fridges. 1 more to play the bomb mini game. Oh, windowsill game. Wonder what I win. 13. Is the 13 an unlucky number? Damn, that's it? No way. Okay, now time for the bomb in the game. Yay! Yeah, I can't have a bomb in the game. Play. What do I do? What do I do? Wait, I cannot understand. It's like avoid spaces. Oh my god, bro. But, yeah, I'm just gonna play as my normal avatar until I like get a mark, until I get like something. Oh no. Very chaotic. Very chaotic. Oh, so the pink squares attack everything from left, up, down, and right. I don't know why I said it like that. These are hardest to deal with. These are hardest to deal with. No. Dude, this is actually so hard. Not joking. There's a lot of overwhelming elements. Oh no. Not this again. Not this again. Oh no. No, I'm right next to it. No, not the pink ones. Not the pink ones. I hate the pink ones. No! I'm gonna die. Bye-bye. Okay, but best I'm gonna get... I think I'm gonna get this fridge. It's cooking me. I'm cooked. Oh, no. 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 Oh, no. No. I hate the pink ones. I hate when the pink ones appear. The blue one isn't as bad. Oh, no. No. Not the combo. Not the combo. This bomb in the game is actually really hard. Hard. No. Between. No. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Bye. Wait. My health dropped to a negative value. Bruh. Oh no. Dude. Why does it keep on doing that? Nah. It did not just do that. Nah. Oh no. Yeah, we're spamming it at this point. We're spamming it. I think it's bad. Oh. Whew. No, I forgot to jump. Oh no. Now the shockwave. No. Pink one again. Oh my god. Bro, I almost got this one. Okay. Lock in. I'm locking. I'm trying to lock in. Technique. I barely got a 15. Oh no. Bruh. Oh, you wanna try me? Huh? Oh nah. I'm cool. Yeah, I'm going somewhere else. No. I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here anymore. I hate this place. Anyways, B. Smooth run. Oh no! Oh no! What? What? Oh, almost, almost. Toma, 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 toma. Yes! Oh! Ha. Oh! Yes! Let's go! You're joking, right? Oh my god. Dude, I hate this. Oh. How? How did that even kill me? That was unfair. I just try not to jump. Okay, from now on I won't start. Dude, did we just expand our hitboxes? Oh, 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 oh my god. I almost. Okay, I can see how I died to that. Yeah, that too. Oh my. Dude. At least make my hitbox smaller.
Did you see what did this?
Okay, I really can't do this feat without pausing. Oh, finally. Oh yeah, first. Oh my god, why does it do that? Hate it. Oh, oh. Why do I keep getting killed so easily? Okay, so don't touch windmill fridge. Yeah. Are we serious right now? Dude, can we stop giving me a number of fridges to collect? Yeah, I'm doing it harder. Actually, I'm just gonna explore my own fidgety. Okay, I'm gonna start with spawn fidgety. I'm gonna start with fidgety. Oh! Cat. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Oh, tama. I straight by myself how to go and then to the apple tree. Apple business is going to be so cool. That's a sunflower. It can't even be a tree. Let alone let it be an apple tree. Sunflowers aren't even the same color as apples. Sunflowers are yellow, apples are red. Yeah, I think he just restarted. Oh, almost. And I'm pretty sure there's a secret. And I think there's like a secret demon fridge in here. I know it. How? How was that fair? Okay, looks like I can use my lagging to our advantage. Burger, yum. I'm also gonna be trying to find the demon fridge, but I can't really look outside. Please don't send me back. It sent me back. Ninja fridge! Yay! Okay, now I'm gonna try to find demon fridge. Okay, seriously, how do I... Yeah, goodbye. Okay. I'm gonna try to get tennis fridge. No, this is gonna be the last fridge of the video because yeah. Yeah, because this video is getting too long. So it's 48 minutes now. Bing. Is it just like this? Is it just like this? Why is it always to the right? No, it's to the left. It's to the left. Ha! Sorry. It gives me prep time. Sue! 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 Yeah. Too easy, bro. Is it just teleporting? This is getting impossible. This is getting impossible. Oh, no! Okay, I'm gonna try to get a different mythical. So like, so I'm gonna try to get a mythical to end off this video. Go upstairs to my bed house with a party hat. Okay, going upstairs. I'm going upstairs. So I'm going here. Time to look what's behind me. Oh. 5 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. I don't really get it. I don't really get all this. Teddy Fridgepin. Who even is Teddy Fridgepin? Oh. A lost teddy bear on Vexor Island was almost dropped into water. So, if Suki's overwhelmed, so the thing here is next to water, I believe. Because it said it was almost dropped in water. Yeah. Bonnie. Oh wait, I think it's in that gap. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's see if do I have any short fridges. Okay, I think this is a pretty good fridge. Oh yeah, I can just use this shortcut. Okay, I think our fridge can fit through here. Oh! Clap, clap. Oh, I click it. Teleport! Ah. Fine for fishes. Ooh. That's a lot of teddy bears. Is there a teddy bear monster? That'd be so scary. What? What? Yeah, where do I go here? Obby? Oh. Obby time. Okay, this is eerie. Just to say the least. I'm scared. I didn't even touch it. Okay, I think it's because my app is installed. So bye guys.